Oh, hey, it's nice to see you guys again. Um, Today I'll show you how to create a login page and the flow of after we log in. Alright, so it's meaning we're going to create this page, and after we log in, if we put the wrong information, you cannot go anywhere unless you have to put the right information. And if you have the right username and password, you guys will go to this page, and the rest is belong to the other tutorial. Okay, let's roll. Okay, first of all, we want to create the view, right? Okay, go back to my old strategy. We have to start from the controller first, and after that the models, and the last one is the view, right? Okay, as we know that we have to create two methods, the functions, one for the get and one for the post or wait. See, first of all, we have to create the login logout controllers. This one we use to control the login and logout, but unfortunately I don't put the logout over here. I will show you later, but right now we just work with the login first. Alright, create a new Java file. Hopefully you guys still remember how to do it, and create it inside the controllers folder. Alright, the package over here will fill for you, and for the import, again, if we want to use something, well, we just create a method that's something over here, and we will ask the system grab the right import for you. Those here we will use them later, is not now, but let's just put it there. Alright, we have to let the system know this one is the controller, and the request is account, because we want to work with the account. So remember, MVC store, spring, and account. See, and the login over here. Okay, and the login is the page where we should go to load the login page. Here the path is account, and go to login page. See, alright, logger, I think right now we don't have to use it, but the user models, of course we want to use it. User service, I think we have already, and private user models and user model. Alright, we have it already, so we just use it. That is model bin. For the login get, it's not hard, because we just want to register this page for the system. Okay, I put the method name is get login page, and the other one is verify the account, but or we can say post login page. Sorry, I didn't concentrate on this one. Okay, we have to concentrate this one. I put the name of the method get login page is for the get method. Request parameters, error, string error, because I used error because I want to show the error inside the page to let the user knows that they just put the wrong information. If they put the good information, they will go to a different page, and if they put the wrong information, they will see the error. Okay, as usual, we should have a model map and model logger, and hopefully you guys still remember, we always need the the attribute learning page form. Remember the form model attribute. Alright, our model attribute is login, so we have to login is login user object. So we have to create a dummy users over here and add it into the attribute login. See, login over here should match with the model attribute login over here. Otherwise you cannot go anywhere, or you will get the error message. Alright, and the login user is the temporary user. It's just dummy information, and return the login page. Alright, for the login post, we still have the name of that one is verify account, or I can put the okay, I don't want to mess you up. Alright, post login page. Alright, we still have the parameters error. Model attribute is login page, login user, right? So model attribute login should match with this one, and users login user is a user object, and model map model. Alright, easy. Logger. Okay, this one I use this one for okay, first of all I use this variable to store. Use this one for storing return page. Okay, and I use this one to check username and password that the user put in. Password. Okay. Alright, I use the method inside the models over here. Alright, check login user. The default value is false. It means they put wrong information, and I use the method inside the model user models. Alright, to check the username and password if they match with whatever inside the database. If nothing match, will return the false. If it match, return true. Okay, and right here say if See, if check user's name is false, we put the error to the page. The error you have entered wrong invalid username or password. Destination and go back to login page. Else is mean good. It means you check it true. So destination go to checkout page. Alright. So alright, that's all we have for get and post, right? And next one we have to take a look at the verify login user inside the user model. Okay, it means we have to go to the model over here, go to model folder, create the user model. Okay, and as user I think I show you guys how to create the models already. Please check the previous tutorial to create the model. Is like the others. Okay, we have to let the system know this one is components. Okay, services, the services is using user service. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, I say this one we create already at the beginning of the tutorial. We haven't created yet. Right now we're going to create it and we use it, user model bin. Alright, we go back to the model and no locker, persistent. Okay, persistent, entity manager em, nothing changed. And this one is for create a new user transaction now. We use this one later inside the next tutorial. Okay, I promise. Okay, and this one we use to find all of the users inside the database. Okay, and in this tutorial, okay, we use this one for find all of user who has this username. We don't use this. We use this one. Okay. Alright. Remember, verify the login page. So we use this method. Let me explain. Before that, I have the command. And password that user put in. Okay, this is a normal method. We should have the username and password as the parameters because we want to check them. Boolean is the result because we have to return if they match, this pairs match inside the database, we return true. If they are not, return false. And I put the result is false by default. Okay, this is the list of users because I want to pull out all of the users inside the database. Like, okay, this means I go to the user tables and look out all the all of the users inside here. Right, put out all the information and we compare username and password. No, I mean username and password. Alright, we have to compare. Okay, so it means we go to this table, pull out all of the users inside this table and put it here. And I call the function over here. Alright, I call this function to call all information to pull out all the users inside the database. And hopefully you guys understand what I'm putting here, because I showed you guys before already. I promised that 2 or 3 times already. Yeah, remember this one, we find this one inside the entity, users entity, final. See, where's the model? This one, and it will return a user list and return a list of user. It means it will return the whole information of the whole tables. Okay, and put inside this list. Alright, and for this one we start to match username and password. This means we have to use the for each loop right here. Go to every single object inside the list and pull out the username and password. Okay, and we compare the temporary user object is my user, and I compare the username password of this and the username password of the username password that the user put in. Alright, the customer put in the username and password, so we have to compare with those things here. Okay, and if they match, it means username and password in pair match, the result will return a true. Okay, otherwise it will return a false, because I put the default values is false. Alright, so we done with the models, and now we have to take a look at the view login page. Those here is not strange to you, right? Alright, and the title is login page, and this is for CSS. Go to the body. This one is for the header. See the header. Okay, that is really simple for you guys right now. And div is login error. Okay, login error IDs. Okay, this one, you see the errors over here. Remember, inside the login the controller, I'm saying is this one. See, okay, and this, if we log in with the error, we will see this errors inside the over here. Alright, and now we have to start a form and the end of form over here. Okay, model attribute login again.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Model attribute is login, and it should match over here. Model attribute, and method is post, command is login. It should match with this one too. And the action, see, with the MVC music store string and account. Why is account? And go to login. Why the account login? Inside the controllers we have we say request mapping and account here, right? And go to the login page. Hey, easy. And this is the heading. Let's see, heading login, and this one. And for the next one here, see the register is string, right? Because we want to click on here, we will link to different page, so we have to use the anchor for the register word, and we want to redirect to the page. We want to redirect to the page MVC store string and add user. Okay, and field set, see field set and legend. Remember, legend is account information. Alright, and we just have two field, username and password. Okay, and a button too. Username, password, heading, and form input path. Alright, this one we use for the input field, JSTL language. Yep, the same with the password. Take a look at clearly, okay? And the input type submit, and value log on. See, alright, we have everything ready, and we close the field set, close the form. We use this one, the path is username and password. Why we know this one? Because inside the user entity, username, password, see, those words should have match with this. If you type wrong, uppercase, lowercase or something, you cannot log on. Go back to a controller, say if we put wrong information, go to login page. We just put in the login page over here. If we did a good job, it means if the user put good information, username and password, go to the we'll go to the checkout page. This is our checkout page. Checkout JSP. Remember, if you want to have it, you have to create it. This one, heading over here, title, checkout, link for CSS. Go to body, this is the header, and checkout complete. Say to the user that you have complete. Thank you for orders, and your order number to say is real one. When you check out your cart when you buy something on eBay or Amazon, will show you the card number. This one I didn't put it in yet, but in the future, next to tutorial, you guys will see how I put it here. But right now I just put it in, and one more row of message, and we see we'll have to put the one more anchors over here for the store word, because we want the user, if they want to continue shopping, they can go back to the store. And this is the path where we're going to want to redirect the user back to the store. Alright, so it means we're done with the login page, and let's check if it works. See, and one more thing, if you want to, because I haven't shown you guys how to create a new user yet, but if you want, you can go direct into your database and create a new user, okay, to test. I'm going to create a new, alright, say I don't want to ID of here, today test, and password is today test, first name is today test, today first, today last, row 2, okay. Okay, so I just create a new user inside the database for testing. Today test, username is today test, and password is today test. Sorry, my laptop is slow right now. Come on. A lot of people are waiting for you. Row. Alright. Okay, I do it because I want to show you guys that this is real information from our project. It's not from something else. Alright, see, login page we have here. Awesome, huh? Awesome. Log on and register. See, okay. You guys will work with this one next tutorial. Okay, don't worry. Right now we have to put the information in for username and password. Log on. Shoo! Error. Okay, and good information in today test. Yee-hee! Complete. Alright, it means we can log in. Alright, thank you guys for follow me for the half of hours, I think. Okay, I'm going to prepare for the next tutorial. Thank you.